Okay, we're back on part 2 of World at War, Nazi Zombie Custom Zombie Map. As I said in the other video, I said I wasn't going to have Jug, but guess what? I got Jug.
Well, I hope you have a good time.
Oh, thank you. I will.
I had to go buy ammo.
Oh, okay. Why did you buy ammo when this is a dog round?
Fucking just spam ammo.
And guys, I think not early, I mean later, probably this year, well, I'm probably gonna make some Skyrim videos if you guys want me to. Just like start a whole series of Skyrim. I don't know. I don't know yet, actually, now I think about it. That's a long game.
Because nobody.
Well, I'm not very good at Skyrim, that's all I know. I think they'll just laugh at me because they're like, oh, he's dumb, he don't know what he's doing. Which I don't. Usually when I'm playing Skyrim, I really don't know.
Oh, thank you. Ow.
It's for an 11. I was a bit attention.
Do a handstand. Oh, let me do the thing.
Oh!
Oh. Look who went down first.
I went down first because I was in a bull spot.
By one zombie.
No, there was more than just one zombie. I have it on video.
No, it's one zombie. Look at that.
Oh no! I thought I was gonna die again.
Wow, he almost died again from one zombie.
Hush. Okay, you know what? I knew I was gonna die. Okay, I'm sorry. Did you upgrade that?
No.
I like how he says no, and it probably is. Oh no, because it would sound different.
Why was he just doing the T-pose? I'm still alive. I broke him before he should be broken.
I'm gonna buy that. I guess zombies like to corner me.
Yep, because I found a place that they can't corner me.
I just need this.
Look at them! They're doing handstands!
That's pretty cool. I didn't even mean to die. That was so stupid of me to die. No, 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 no.
Yeah, I'll try it. Oh! Wow, look what I got.
Oh wow.
It just wants me to live.
Do you want to just stay down here? Just like all the way down here.
Well, first oh, here it is. That's what I've been doing usually the whole time, because they don't spawn behind you.
Oh really?
Really.
Well, that's cool. Well, then we'll just stay up close and then work our way back if they go closer.
No.
Okay, this gun sucks.
Mine does.
Of course not.
You guys are good.
I keep getting the guns off the wall.
I got one off the wall.
Okay, I'm happy. I thought that was me. No. 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 No.
Just so you know, I do have 2 upgraded weapons now.
Good for you. Oh, there it goes. See, he does everything for me. See, I don't even have to play, and I can beat this map, no problem. So I'll do 1-shots. So I'm doing the 4 shots, okay? I got you, Wrath. I just gonna get these guys out here, just for you. Nah, he's okay. He's okay. He's not gonna die.
Or what the hell killed me?
Or
I got 2-shotted. I just got 2-shotted. I don't know how I died.
oh, there we go.
Be careful, they can still hurt you. I don't know how I died. I got hit twice and I died.
Wait, do that again? What'd you just do? Oh.
Thank you. Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
I have to get everything again.
That's what you
I
get.
hope you die on this. What did I do?
Because you were just like, that's what I get for dying too. So, that's what you get.
Oh. I
Wow,
didn't
that was-
let you die on purpose.
Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't.
Actually, I didn't even let you die.
No. I know you didn't let me die.
Yeah, you just let me die.
I didn't mean to. I didn't know you were that
Oh,
red.
you did, me too. Oh, I can't either, because it's white on this one. It's white on this version, so I can't tell.
I'm sorry.
Wow. I don't
What?
just look at you and laugh when you're on that. I always get the person if they're red. That's a good time to get them. You know,
I was just laughing because if you saw your character, you were just like,
yeah, that I can't even see.
I'm sorry. It was funny.
Oh, well, I don't even care. I'll be fine anyway.
I will be too.
I hope not.
I'm sorry. Oh my god, I was trying to say, I'm too lazy to go down there. Come up here, zombies.
Wow, nice aim.
I was just spraying, so.
Am I gonna respawn? Thank you.
There you go.
What if I pick that up, huh?
I would actually pick you up that time.
Oh no. Now I have to actually play safe.
Good.
Well, actually, I was fine because of instant kill, and then for some reason, I still died.
I keep yawning.
Stop yawning.
All this has is a red tint.
Bye, please. Thank you.
Oops.
I really hope I get that gun again.
What?
That light machine gun. Why would you trade that for?
That's what I said.
Why?
Oops.
That's not actually helping
Oh,
me.
wait, what gun did you
That
want?
dropped my frames there.
Was it this gun?
I don't know. Is it?
Yes.
I can't see the thing.
It's MG42.
You stole my gun.
The gun. We're never gonna die, dude.
Oh, are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm
I'm
sure.
pretty sure I died because of somebody.
I don't know.
Oh, I'm fine now, but I probably should let you die, really.
I will never die.
Easily arrange that. Oh, are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I can make it so.
How?
Easy. I just make the zombies all go to you.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
Oh, it was behind me.
Nice. I need the points anyways.
And by the way, Wrath, I got 2 upgraded weapons.
Okay. And
Just saying.
with all these zombies, I can get one. I don't need no upgraded weapon.
Good.
Plus, what the? What was with him?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. But I can upgrade, so.
Here you go. See? That wasn't that hard, was it?
Oh, maybe to do this in the first place, you know.
Oh, I don't know. I forgot that you didn't die though, so that never happened.
It did, because I'm still missing an item that I had before. Actually, two things. I had double tap and...
What are you talking about?
Hey, I got monkeys now. I have monkeys now.
You're not gonna use them to help me though. That's all I know.
Nope, I'm just gonna let you sit there and die.
That zombie is following you.
He likes me better than you.
Oh, actually, I wasn't. Wow, that was like instant hit.
Ow! Okay, fine, I'll get you this time. Just because they're blocking everything I need. What? Oh my god.
That's what happened to me.
You only get hit. Like, I don't even know. Like, I feel like it's
There's
only
2
three
max
hits.
ammos right
Why
there.
is it... Wow. It's only 3 hits. And he's doing a handstand, so save me.
Oh, we're dead.
Oh no. There you go.
Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the videos. Please hit that like button and subscribe button. And, yep. Wow, he just instantly left.
Because I don't want to be with you anymore.
Okay,
You let me die.
I'm sorry. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Oh, there's...
Later.
Sorry, won't cut it.